Hello everyone, welcome to this video by LPT. In today's video, we are going to look at commonly confused words in the English language. Now students, if you have had a look at your paper, you would understand in your vocabulary questions, they give you two words which are very similar to each other, right? In pronunciation or in spelling, but their meaning is absolutely different. So we are going to look at the commonly confused words. Let's have a quick look at them. Versus effect. So you have this word here which is effect, and you have effect. The fundamental difference between these two words is that one is a verb and the second one is a noun. So for example, when you are using a verb here which is affect, it means to influence something. For example, you may say that the weather affects my mood. So this affects is functioning as a verb. On the other hand, when you talk about effect, effect is a result or outcome. So you say the new law had a positive effect on the economy. Here it is functioning as a noun. So remember, one is a verb and one is a noun. Let's have a look at one such pair. Next one is lose versus lose. So when you talk about this word, this is actually a verb. So you say to misplace or to be deprived of something. Deprive का मतलब होता है कोई चीज आपके पास अगर नहीं है तो. So you say don't lose your keys so that you don't misplace them or you are deprived of them. On the other hand, when you talk about this spelling which is L-O-O-S-E, it is functioning as an adjective which is not very tight. So you have an example, this shirt is too loose. So one is a verb, one is an adjective, that is the second pair. Let's have a third pair which is its versus its. This is again very important. ये काफी ज़्यादा misuse होता है and I'm sure there are many people who don't have an idea how to deal with it. So this its is a possessive pronoun. So it is used as a pronoun. For example, belonging to it. So you say the dog wagged its tail. ये जो tail थी, fine, this belongs to who? It belongs to the dog, which is a noun. So you are using a pronoun which is its without an apostrophe. On the other hand, you have it apostrophe s, which means it is the short form for it is. So for example, when you say it is raining outside and if you say it's raining outside, that will be erroneous. So there are many people who use this term which is absolutely incorrect. So I hope this is making sense to you all, right? And this is what we were looking into. We will be coming with more such videos in the future, and just make sure that you are keep learning with LPT and you do wonders to your study preparation plan. Thank you everyone. See you next time.